Introducing the Proofvision toothbrush chargers. These innovative devices install seamlessly into any bathroom wall, just like a shaver socket, providing a convenient and easy way to keep your toothbrushes powered and ready for use. From single chargers to those with a shaver socket, and even dual chargers for households with multiple users, there's a solution for everyone. Compatible with nearly all Braun or Oral-B toothbrush models, experience the convenience of the original toothbrush charger, providing a single base for your toothbrush, or consider the dual charger for simultaneous charging of 2 electric toothbrushes. For added functionality, explore the toothbrush charger with shaver socket, offering both a charging base and a conventional shaver socket. Customization options are available with interchangeable plates in polished steel, brushed steel, classic white, and sleek black finishes. Proofvision's in-wall toothbrush chargers offer a simple solution to upgrade your oral hygiene routine. Visit our website to find a stockist near you and revolutionize the way you charge your toothbrushes.